Hi, I'm Kurumi and this is Kurumicooks. This video shows you how to make sushi vinegar and sushi rice. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Here are the ingredients, although you can buy ready-made sushi vinegar if you wish. You will need 80 ml of Japanese rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Put all the ingredients in a pan and heat over medium heat. Stir until all the sugar is dissolved. Now you are ready to mix. Add the sushi vinegar little at a time and mix it into the rice with a slicing action to avoid massing the rice. By the way, please see my how to cook Japanese rice video if you need help with that. Repeat this step until you've used all the sushi vinegar and then your sushi rice is ready. Thanks for watching. Here are the ingredients and the how-to for the recipe. Please subscribe and visit my website Kurumicooks for more Japanese recipes. Bye bye!